Hey everybody, Natalie here, talking about the Dragéekíss or the Dragéekíss, depending on what side of the world you're from, and the importance of keeping the cap on the end of your kiss. This silicone piece controls the ability to push the pearl through. So now I can hold it there, place the pearl against my surface, and release. And that's how you use your Dragéekíss. Be sure you keep that little piece attached so it controls the pearls. Not like my first video where I was like slinging the pearls through because I enjoyed the sound of pearls crashing. No, use the little tip. It's not a cap, it is a control tool. All right, any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I love this Dragéekíss. And if you're having trouble, there's a good chance that it might be because you don't have the cap on. All right, cool beans. Talk to y'all later.